In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate Gmail in Google Workspace. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need to make in the admin console so your users can start using Gmail with your organization's accounts. Make sure you're signed in as a Google Workspace administrator before you begin. If you're not an admin, you won't see the settings we're about to use. Start by opening the Google Admin Console in your browser. You can get there by visiting the admin homepage and signing in with your admin account. Once you land on the admin console home, you'll see a dashboard of categories and services that control your organization. From the home page, open the Apps section. This is where Google groups all of your organization's services and connected applications. If you don't see it immediately, use the search bar at the top and type Apps to jump right in. Inside Apps, select Google Workspace. This area lists the core Google services available to your users, like Drive, Calendar, and of course, Gmail. Opening this list lets you manage whether each service is available and to whom. Find Gmail in the list and open it. You'll arrive on the Gmail service settings page, which has controls for availability, settings, and links to related policies. Today, we're focusing on turning the service on. Go to Service Status. Here, you can choose whether Gmail is on or off for your organization. If you want every user in your domain to have access right away, choose On for everyone. If you use organizational units and prefer a phased rollout, you can target specific groups instead, but the global On option is the fastest way to enable it across the board. After choosing your desired setting, click Save. That's the key step that applies your change. You should see a confirmation that your update was saved. Changes usually begin to take effect within minutes, though in some cases it can take a bit longer to propagate. If you're migrating email from another provider, remember that Gmail won't receive external mail until your domain's MX records are pointed to Google's mail servers. That's a separate DNS configuration outside the admin console. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Ensure your users have the correct Google Workspace licenses that include Gmail. If someone still can't access Gmail, try having them sign out and back in, or check whether a specific organizational unit has Gmail disabled. You can also review the Google Workspace status dashboard if you suspect an outage. That's it. You opened the admin console, went to Apps, selected Google Workspace, opened Gmail, set the service status to On for everyone, and saved your changes. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using Gmail with your team.